Taz B here from Taz Adventures. So, I don't know about you, but I have a bad habit of leaving my rods in my truck. And inevitably what happens is I'll end up breaking a tip. So this was actually, this much up here. And when it broke about halfway. So for a temporary fix, I just clipped it as close to this eyelet as possible. But still, you got a little nubby that your line can catch on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I bought some, end eyelets, and I'm going to go ahead and replace this one. Now, because of the amount of length that I lost, I am going to lose a little bit of play to it. I'm not going to have as much natural action with the rod, but I can still use it. So see if I can get this here. So what I want to do first is I want to cut this off as close to that. There we go. Looks pretty straight. Alright, and then I'm going to open this up and see which eyelet. Hopefully these will fit okay. Okay, why I feel they need to take the glue within the package, I don't know, but okay. Let's see how this is going to look. It'll slide on there. I might have to do a little bit. Going to heat up the stick a little bit. Get that glue a little hot there. Kind of roll her around. Alright. Heat up a bit there. And let's get this slid in. Alright, slid on, and then I want to line up the eyelets. Okay. I get that pretty straight. Set in place. Alright, looks like I got that. Pretty straight, and just take off the excess there a little bit, and alright, I think I got that pretty close to how I want it. Alright, so there you go. Tips on it, just gotta let it set. Shouldn't take that long to set. Just put that off because, yeah, that got hot. So, but now I'll be able to put a new reel on it and give it for a test drive. We'll see how well it works. But yeah, it got a little bit crooked, but you know what? The important thing is that it's a smooth tip now here, so now my line won't snag up. And yeah, I got it off just a little bit. But you could heat it up and tweak it a little bit. I'm just going to leave it be. Because I think for me it's close enough. I'm not very picky. I've learned not to be a perfectionist on everything, because if you do, you will drive yourself crazy. But anyways, that's how you replace a end tip on a rod. So you don't have to throw the whole rod away if you accidentally break it. Like I said, the pro is you don't have to spend money on another rod. Con is, yeah, you're going to lose a little bit of your natural action that the rod had, because you've lost however much length you had to cut off to replace it. But bear in mind, this is judging by what I just did. If I break this tip off, that'll be it for this rod, because they don't give you very, very big ferrules. So like I had, looks like 3 different size ferrules, and I found the one that fit on snug to do the trick. And that's it. So I hope you guys like the video. Hit the like button, thumbs up, notification, subscribe if you're new. And I want to thank you for watching. Asby out.